Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for specialty food business, easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of website that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So let's start from here. So first of all, you have to start from here, build with Wix editor. So as you see here, you can start with chat AI. So it's gonna help you to customize and set up your website. So you have just to answer the questions, and also you can go to basic setup. So you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna choose this way. So let's get started. Okay, so here you can enter your business type, your website type, specialty food. Okay. Okay, so as you see here, you can choose, for example, your or select your business type. For me, I'm gonna choose this one, online specialty food store. Now you can add your store name. Do you already have an online store? What would you like to sell? Physical products or digital products or services or dropshipping products? So this is depends on your business. Where would you like to sell? Online store or your mobile app or marketplaces and social media or in person? So let's continue to dashboard. Let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design a website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So let's get started from here. I'm gonna get started from here. Okay, so as you see here, you can add your information, your name, your email, and your address, and your phone, and also you can add the social link. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. Okay, so you can try your best to make your site look attractive. So don't forget the simple details, to like the themes and like the colors, like the fonts, the size. So the simple details is more important to make your site look attractive, to attract more people, more customers to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now as you see, you can add pages to your site if you want. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete the design. So as you see here, you can add elements. So the text, you can customize the same text, the titles, the paragraphs, and the text mask. Also you can customize the image. So you can upload image and import image. You can explore image from free from Wix and free Wix illustrations. Also you can customize the themed buttons and the text and icon buttons, the image buttons. Also here we have the decorative. You can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, and arrows, horizontal lines, and vertical lines. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here and you can add. You can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. If you want to design your site, you can just click here and you can customize the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So the first section here we have the header section. So you can change the the site name. Also you can change manage the horizontal menu. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section, and you can add wherever you like. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, you can change the section background, the color, and the strip background, the color or the image or whatever you like. Also, if you want to change this text here, just click on it and it's gonna create it another one. If you want to change this image, just click here and you can choose another image, for example this one. Okay, so let's move on to the next section, the product section. So you can manage products if you want. You can create your product here, so you can add new product here. So as you see here, you can add the title of your product, images and videos. You can add product information, the name and the description. You can customize the pricing options. You can change the discount and the sale price. Also you can customize and manage the inventory and the shipping. So after you're done, you can save this place and go back and complete the design. So this is the about section. So as you see, if you want to create another AI text, just click here and select what kind of section, and you have to insert information to include here, and after this it's gonna create it for you. So you can make it shorter than this and regenerate another one. So for example, I'm gonna use this one. If you wanna change and edit the text, just click here and you can, as you see, choose your favorite fonts. Also you can change the style. So that's it. Let's move on to the next section. So this is the feature section. So as you see, nothing special here. You can just change this image right here. Okay, now you can search on specialty food. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, okay, I'm gonna choose this one right here. So this is the last section here, the footer section. So you can just add your email and your company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile before you go live, and also you can save your homepage design from here. So after this, if you want to publish, you can publish your website and go live and start selling, start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end and see you in the next video.